Hi, Ryan. Good morning.
Good morning, Kate. How are you today?
I am good. I slept well. How about you?
I am fine too. I feel fresh today.
That's nice. What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 a.m. And you?
I woke up at 6:30. I needed more sleep.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, please. I like warm coffee in the morning.
Same here. Coffee helps me start my day.
True. It gives me energy.
Do you eat breakfast early?
Yes, I eat at 7 a.m.
Oh, that's good. I eat at 7:30.
Ryan, what is your daily routine?
My routine is simple. I wake up, I wash my face, I brush my teeth, then I make breakfast.
Sounds good. What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread, sometimes fruit.
Healthy choice. I like fruit too.
What is your routine?
I wake up, drink water, stretch my body, then take a shower.
Stretching is good. Does it help you feel better?
Yes, it helps my body relax.
Do you work today, Kate?
Yes, I do. I work at 9 a.m.
What do you do?
I work in customer service. I help customers.
Nice. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like talking to people. What about you?
I work in an office. I check emails and prepare reports.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, it is calm and simple.
Hello. We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Do you have any plans after work?
Yes, I want to go to the gym.
Great. Do you go often?
I try to go 3 times a week.
That is good discipline.
Thank you. How about you?
I want to cook dinner and watch a movie.
Nice. What movie will you watch?
Maybe a comedy. Something light.
Sounds fun.
Ryan, can you help me with something?
Sure. What do you need?
Can you help me move this box? It is heavy.
Of course. Let me help you.
Thank you.
No problem. Always happy to help.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, the sky is clear.
It feels warm.
I like warm days.
Me too. But I also like rainy days.
Why?
Rain makes me feel calm.
Interesting. Rain makes me sleepy.
That is true. It is relaxing.
Hi, Kate. How was work?
Hi, Ryan. Work was busy but good.
Did you help many customers?
Yes, many people called today.
Were they nice?
Most of them were. A few were stressed.
That happens.
Yes, but I stayed calm.
What did you eat for lunch today?
I ate rice with vegetables. What about you?
I ate a sandwich.
Do you like sandwiches?
Yes, they are quick and easy.
True. I like healthy food.
Me too. But sometimes I eat fast food.
Same here. Once in a while is okay.
Ryan, what do you like to do in your free time? I like reading and exercising.
Good hobbies. What about you?
I like cooking, listening to music, and walking in the park.
Nice. What music do you like?
I like soft music. What about you?
I like pop and jazz. Ryan, do you want to walk in the park this weekend?
Yes, that sounds great.
Maybe Saturday afternoon?
Perfect. I am free then.
Great. We can walk and talk.
I like that.
Me too.
Kate, do you cook every day?
Not every day. Maybe 5 days a week?
What do you cook most often?
Soup, rice, and chicken.
Sounds good.
Do you cook?
Sometimes. I can cook pasta.
Pasta is nice and simple. Ryan, how long have you learned English?
I have learned for 2 years.
That is great. Your English is clear.
Thank you. I practice a little every day.
Good habit. I also practice daily.
What helps you learn?
Listening to simple conversations.
Same. It helps me understand.
And speaking helps me remember.
Yes, practice is important.
Ryan, today was a long day,
Yes, I feel tired too.
but it was a good day.
I agree. We worked, we learned, we talked.
Talking with you helps me relax.
Same here. Simple conversations are good.
Yes, they help us practice English in a natural way.
Absolutely.
Kate, do you have goals for this month?
Yes, I do. I want to read 2 books.
That is a good goal.
Thank you. What about you?
I want to exercise more and sleep better.
Nice. A healthy goal.
Yes, I want to feel strong and relaxed.
Ryan, do you learn anything new these days?
Yes, I am learning simple cooking.
Really? That is great.
Yes, I watch short videos. They help a lot.
What dish did you learn?
I learned to cook fried rice. It is easy.
Oh, that is one of my favorite dishes.
I can make some for you one day.
I would like that.
How do you feel today, Kate?
I feel calm and happy.
Good to hear.
And you?
I feel a little tired, but okay.
Did you sleep late?
Yes, I watched a long movie last night.
Ah, that explains it.
Yes, I need to sleep earlier.
Ryan, next week, do you want to study English together?
Yes, I want that.
Maybe 30 minutes each day?
Good idea. Short and easy.
We can practice speaking and listening.
Yes, and maybe learn new words.
Exactly.
Let's start on Monday.
Perfect. I am ready. Ryan, do you have any healthy habits?
Yes, I try to drink more water every day.
That is good. Water is important.
Yes, I also try to walk more.
How much do you walk?
Maybe 20 to 30 minutes a day.
Nice. Walking is simple and good for the body.
What healthy habits do you have?
I try to stretch every morning.
Does it help you feel better?
Yes, it makes my back feel relaxed.
I should try stretching too.
You should. It feels great. Kate, what do you do to relax? I listen to soft music. It helps me calm down.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I like to listen to the sound of rain.
Oh, that is peaceful.
Yes, it helps me clear my mind.
Music and nature sounds are good for relaxing.
Yes, they make life feel lighter.
Ryan, do you remember your last holiday?
Yes, I do. I went to a small beach.
That sounds beautiful.
It was quiet and clean. I liked the fresh air.
Did you swim?
Yes, a little. The water was cool.
Nice. I want a beach trip too.
Where would you like to go?
Maybe a calm place with clear water?
That sounds perfect.
Vacations help us refresh.
Yes, they give us new energy.
Kate, I think you are improving your English.
Really? Thank you.
Yes, you speak clearly and with confidence.
That makes me happy.
Keep practicing.
I will. And you are improving too.
Thank you. I still need more practice.
We can learn together.
Yes, learning with a friend feels easier.
True. We can support each other.
Michael, I think I will rest soon.
Yes, me too. Today was a full day.
Yes, but it was a good day.
I agree. We talked, learned, and shared ideas.
Thank you for the nice conversation.
Thank you too, Kate.
Let's talk again tomorrow.
Sure. Have a peaceful night.
You too. Good night.
Thank you for watching this lesson.
What did you learn today? Tell us in the comments below.
Share one thing you will practice in your daily life.
If you like this video, please leave your comment below. And don't forget to like,
Share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.